discuss how management theories evolved. It can be divided into 5 major approaches: historical background, classical approach, quantitative approach, behavioral approach, and contemporary approach. Let us start with the historical background first. I have divided this section into 2 parts. Number 1 is early management, and number 2 is industrial revolution. The second part of historical management is industrial revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century and continued into the 19th century, profoundly impacted the development of management practices. The rapid advancements in technology, transportation, and manufacturing during this period brought about significant changes in the organization and management of businesses. The shift from manual labor to machine-based manufacturing and the growth of large-scale factories and industries led to the emergence of modern management practices. Some key ways in which the Industrial Revolution influenced management are: Number 1, factory system. The Industrial Revolution saw the rise of large-scale factories and the transition from cottage industries to centralized manufacturing. This shift required new management approaches to coordinate and oversee larger operations. Factory owners and managers had to develop systems to manage the production process, allocate resources, and coordinate the work of a larger number of employees. Number 2, division of labor. The division of labor, as championed by Adam Smith, became more prominent during the Industrial Revolution. Factories were able to increase productivity and efficiency by breaking down complex tasks into simpler, specialized tasks. This specialization allowed workers to become highly skilled in their specific roles, resulting in increased output and lower production costs. Number 3, scientific management. The Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for the emergence of scientific management principles. Frederick Taylor, a key figure in this field, introduced systematic approaches to improve workplace efficiency. His ideas focused on studying work processes, eliminating inefficiencies, setting standardized procedures, and optimizing worker productivity through scientific methods. Number 4, managerial hierarchy. With the growth of large industrial enterprises, hierarchical structures became prevalent. Organizations started adopting formal management hierarchies with clear lines of authority and reporting relationships. Managers played a critical role in coordinating and overseeing different aspects of production, ensuring smooth operations and enforcing discipline among workers. Number 5, development of management theory. The Industrial Revolution stimulated the need for a systematic understanding of management principles and practices. Scholars and practitioners started studying and developing theories to explain the best ways to manage organizations. Prominent management thinkers, such as Henry Fayol and Max Weber, made significant contributions to organizational theory and administrative management during this period. Number 6, human resource management. As industrialization progressed, the management of human resources became increasingly important. Businesses had to address issues related to workforce recruitment, training, motivation, and employee welfare. The rise of labor unions also influenced management practices as employers had to deal with collective bargaining, workplace safety, and worker rights. Number 7, standardization and quality control. The Industrial Revolution necessitated the establishment of standardized processes and quality control measures. With the expansion of production and increased competition, businesses needed to ensure consistent product quality. This led to the implementation of quality control systems, inspections, and the development of standardized practices to maintain consistent output. It is important to note that the management practices during the Industrial Revolution were not as sophisticated or human-centric as modern management approaches. The focus was primarily on maximizing efficiency and output. However, the Industrial Revolution's changes and challenges laid the groundwork for further advancements in management thinking. This led to the development of diverse management theories and practices that continue to evolve to this day.